base technique of Bhagavad Gita. Krishna quoted from Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita famous slok. Gita Gyan by Krishna motivational. Important lesson from Bhagavad Gita. Meditation for abundance and prosperity. Extremely powerful guided meditation. How to control your mind, how to detox your body, and how to know complete Sri Krishna consciousness, and how to get success in your lifeline. Lord Krishna is the supreme truth, the supreme cause of and sustaining force of everything, both material and spiritual, material world and spiritual world. Sri Krishna consciousness is spiritual meditation by Bhagavad Gita. Advanced souls surrender into Him in devotion, where areas impulse souls divert their mind to other object of worship. The Lord Krishna is the supreme Godhead and the supreme object of worship. The soul is internally related to Him thought. Transcendental development, transcendental devotional service means bhakti. By reviving one's pure devotional of return of Krishna in the spiritual realm chapter, all wonders, phenomena showing power, beauty, gardener or sublimity and the material world or the spiritual are but partial manifestation of Krishna divine energetic ebullience as the supreme cause of the causes and support and essence of everything. Krishna is the supreme object of worship for all beings. Lord Krishna grant Arjuna divine vision and reveals his speculator unlimited from the cosmic universe. Cosmic universe. That means you will be try to do and you will be try to know about cosmic universe. You can understand universe, how to get success from universe. Please read it and do it and speak. Thank you universe, thank you universe, thank you universe. Cosmic universe. Thus he conclusively stabilized his divinity. Krishna explained that he is one all beautiful human like from the original form of Godhead. One can perceive this from only by pure devotional service. Bhakti Yoga. Pure devotional service to Lord Krishna is the highest of most expedient means for attaining pure love for Krishna, which is highest end of spiritual existence. Those who follow this supreme path develop divine qualities. Nature, the enjoyer and consciousness. One who understands the difference between two bodies, the soul and the super soul, beyond them both attain liberation from this material world. All embodied souls are under the control of the three modes or qualities of material nature: goodness, patience, and ignorance. Lord Krishna explained what does modes are, how they act upon us, how one transcends them, and the symptoms of one who has attained the transcendental state. The yoga of the Supreme Person. The ultimate purpose of Vedic knowledge is to detach oneself from the entanglement of the material world and to understand Lord Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. One who understands Krishna's supreme identity surrender into him and engage his devotional service. According to Bhagavad Gita, how to get success, how to control your mind. All of you students, super duper high profile students, I would like to say, please understand how to get success in your life, how to concentrate in your life, how to get peaceful life and successful life, how to detox your mind according to Bhagavad Gita. Please chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That means purification in your heart, purification in your mind, purification in your lifeline. How to get success according to Bhagavad Gita. Please, you can read, you can do, you can understand Vedas, Purans, Bhagavad Gita. The patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Where there is faith, there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is God. Where there is God, there is no need. Have patience. Don't lose your patience. Don't lose your confidence. Don't lose your self-depending attitude. किसी दूसरे पर, not depending another side. You will be depend upon another side, then you will be failure. Then you will be dependent on side, self-confidence according to Bhagavad Gita, then you will be get success in your lifeline. Thank you very much. All of you, God bless you. Sri Krishna, Radhe Radhe.